What's up, YouTube? Hanging out in Broncos 79 room right now. Finished our break of 2010 football, mixed stuff, and I was a little upset with the cards that came out. Nothing cool came out of it, so I decided to bust one of the boxes of limited that I had for the hockey break, and two cards came out. This one is pretty cool, the Dowdy gold monikers out of 50, and this is the one that made my night there. Let's see who it is. Rick Nash.
Yeah, you need Premier Baseball.
A pretty gross 101 entire Reebok patch. So that's a nasty, nasty card. But yeah, anyway, sorry. I figured I'm gonna try some Donruss. Haven't opened it yet. Haven't seen much of it open, so figure I can't. Sidney Crosby, Boys of Winter insert. Can't really be disappointed. So, here we go. Mike Richards. Wow, that's hard to see. Brandon Sutter. Proof, 100 of 100. Gold proof. It's tough to see. Jeff Carter. I'm gonna go through this junk. Yeah. A little tough picking the numbered stuff out of here. Rated rookie James Wyman for the Canadians. Not numbered. I'm being quiet because my wife is sleeping and it's like 3 in the morning.
Anybody know any high-end basketball guys?
I don't want to get yelled at. Feel me? Mickey Gerdav, that's the first card of his I've seen. That's a really fat one.
Anybody interested in I'm trying to sell this. Yes, that is
Anton Clementiev.
0910.
Islanders. Not numbered.
It's 0910. Great to the game. Number 1 moniker is number 2 of 5.
Leighton.
Yes, on card.
I want some Bobrovsky.
Yes, redemption. No, this is on card,
To
man.
be honest with you.
This was a redemption.
Alice Hemsky, Boys of Winter insert, not numbered.
What do you mean?
Madonna
What's
in a
the
Wings
cut on it?
uniform, it's weird.
There's no cut. It's the surface is clean. 2 of 5.
Trevor Frischman for the Jackets. I really need to step my
You can't see it.
rookie game up. And then Pierre-Luc Latourneau LeBlanc, the man with the longest name in hockey. JVR.
Yeah, 2 of 5. But it is on card. There is no sticker there whatsoever.
Leno. Tough Times. I wonder what this is. Ron Hextall. That's cool.
But I'm trying to
Just an
sell this.
insert. I think they come autoed.
And Upper Deck.
That's another
It's
thick one.
0910. Right to the game. And this was only via redemption. Hence the reason.
Evgeny
for the
Dodonov,
freaking ding on the
rated
back.
rookie.
Yeah, I can send you some pics up. Can you shoot me a PM on YouTube with your personal email address, and I'll shoot scans of it.
Pamela
I'll do
Anderson.
scans. I'll do pictures.
Fans of the game. I guess she's a Canuck fan.
Yeah, sure
I
thing.
think she's got autos in here. So that's kind of cool, I guess.
Same as on here. The Broncos 79.
If you like Pam Anderson.
Like I said, this is not
Something
my
here.
card.
Ice
I'm
Kings,
selling
Joe
it for a friend
Sakic.
of mine.
It's cool looking with the different finish on it.
He's looking for $800. So that price is negotiable.
Jared Cowan, rated
Yes,
rookie.
Brent needs money now. Yes. So
Trying to sell
he knows nothing about YouTube and blog.
a Jordan
And I told him
Bird
I would give it a
dual
shot.
auto out of
So,
5.
and I'm not a
right
big
now.
basketball guy, so I don't know
I'm probably missing tons of stuff in here,
the big
so please
basketball
don't.
But 800 is what he's
Yell at
looking
me.
for. You know, it is negotiable. So
Redemption. Rated rookies,
I'll definitely shoot you
autographs.
some pictures, and I'll even shoot some scans
I
over.
have no idea.
I wish my camera would actually show you about the small little, and it's more along the lines of a raised corner, but overall,
Let's hope for a good rookie, huh?
Came in the mail via redemption. This card
290. Oliver Ekman Larson.
I mean,
I've heard of him,
corners look
so
good
that
on
can't
the
be
front,
too bad.
surface looks good. I mean,
And
it's
then a
beautiful
Claude.
freaking card.
Giroux. A thick one. Rated rookie. Magnus Payarvi. Not a bad rookie to hit, I don't think. I've heard of him, that's for sure.
I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go smoke a cigarette.
Dylan Reese, Boys of Winter.
Across the floor.
And a thick one to end it. I'm assuming these are all decoys. But I've got a plexiglass type card in here. The Guardians, that's a cool looking card. Marty B. That's all French-Canadian goalies, I believe. That's a cool one. Max Pacioretty, jersey. For Les Habitants. It's probably horrible. I probably butchered it, but I don't really care. Willa Ford. I didn't know Willa Ford liked hockey. I don't really know who she is, but okay. Zach Parise, Ultimate Draft, round 1, 17 overall. Not numbered. And the last pack, sorry it took so long. Ultimate Draft, Tobias Enstrom. round 8, 239 overall. So there you go. I'm gonna look through again. I know it hits. I know I missed a bunch of stuff. So there you go. Pretty cool stuff. Say boo.